in our spiritual maintenance plan, I've designed a beautiful program to give you a really well-rounded spiritual experience so that once a month you have an opportunity to check in with your angels and archangels and to receive a healing from them, which is so beautiful and so important. There is a weekly plan also that is going to contribute to your spiritual growth and teachings to help you ground into the lessons of your spirit. And those are going to be messages from your ascended master friends and the world teachers. So each month I plan on hosting at least one beautiful being from spirit from that realm, the ascended masters and world teacher realm, that can give you a little bit of coaching and perhaps give answers, receive messages, and help you to really grow. That's the idea behind that week. There will always be meditation in every one of my programs. I think if you've been hanging out with me, you know that that's just part of the plan, because I don't like to just be somebody who tells you what's going on. I want you to have a direct experience of these wonderful beings. So at least once a month, you're going to meet an archangel. At least once a month, you are going to be working with an ascended master or world teacher to help you to grow in your spiritual practice or in your life plan. And then the third week is going to be all about getting an attunement from the 7 healing rays, which is the foundation of all of my spiritual work, comes from the teachings of these beautiful rays in spirit, these rays of consciousness, which are your ingredients. And once a month, we're going to be doing a tune-up so you can get into the good vibes. You can help to improve the quality of your energy field and learn a little bit about how to heal different aspects of yourself. And then finally, once a month, the design of this plan is also to help you have an energetic maintenance program. So what that means is we're going to highlight some tools to help you do some energetic maintenance, whether we're rebuilding chakras, fixing your grids, clearing your cords, working with your karmic field and cleansing that. Perhaps one month we'll pull in your ancestral realms, and I'll show you a little bit about how to deal with those things. So there's a whole bunch of stuff on the energetic plan that we can teach you. I have no doubt that it's going to be a phenomenal opportunity to grow and to learn, and then to keep yourself as high vibrational as possible.